It is still November and we're going to test Christmas markets in Austria so that you know where you can get your Glühwein. Let's go! There are several Christmas markets in Innsbruck. We will start from the one in the Old Town. We entered it through the Giant's Alley. The buildings along the alley are adorned with oversized fairy tale characters. The Old Town Christmas Market has over 70 stalls. These offer a mix of traditional Tyrolean handcrafts, ornaments, candles and souvenirs. Many items are handmade by local artisans such as crafted wooden figures, felted hats and blown glass ornaments. Right across the street, the Marktplatz Christmas Market is situated. It is close to the Inn River, offering a beautiful views of the Nordkette mountain range and Innsbruck's Old Town. One of the main highlights is of course Swarovski crystal tree. The 17-meter high tree with more than 100,000 Swarovski crystals forms the center of the market. Right beside the Christmas tree there is a traditional merry-go-round, so something fun for the kids. Of course, we couldn't resist to try some mulled wine. It is usually served in a cup that you can take home as a souvenir. However, you pay a deposit beforehand just in case. If you don't want to keep the cup, you can return it and get your deposit back. Talking about payments, it is very much advisable to have cash on you, because a lot of stalls don't accept card payments. Another thing we tried at the market was Kjachel. It is a Tyrolean dish made of deep-fried dough that can be served either savory with sauerkraut or sweet with powdered sugar and cranberry sauce. On our way back to the Old Town, we discovered the Fairy Tale Alley. It showcases life-sized figures from classic fairy tales such as Snow White, Hansel and Gretel, and Little Red Riding Hood. There is also a stage for different musical performances and plays. The third Christmas market is situated pretty high, to be honest. It is accessible via the funicular and the price depends on how far you want to go. If you want to visit the Christmas market only, the ticket will cost you around 12 euros. If you want to go to the very top of the Nordkette, the price will be higher. What's the name of this Christmas market?
Hungerburg?
Yes, Hungerburg Christmas Market. Turned out to be really small. There are maybe like 7 stands, tops. Everyone wants to sit or stand near the view, but it's understandable. The view is nice, but I don't know what else to do here except to drink and enjoy the view.
Buy expensive Glühwein and expensive other stuffs.
Yes, so if you have money. We decided to reach the very top of Innsbruck and this was the best decision ever. Frankly, the Christmas market was a bit underwhelming, but everything else in total made this experience worthwhile. The Bergisel Christmas Market, located at the iconic Bergisel Hill, is one of the newer and more unique additions to Innsbruck festive scene. Hello.
Hello.
He has stolen my head.
No,
Yes,
I'm just holding it.
he's just holding it. So we are at another Christmas market in Innsbruck. It looks pretty much the same as the other one. Yes. The only different thing is that you have a view like over there, and you also have a slightly different program, I think. And it's also not operating like every day. I think only Friday and on the weekends. Do you agree?
I think so.
Yes. The market is located at the base of the Bergisel ski jump. Basically, here you can also find some local specialties and handcraft goods. If you get cold and hungry, you can go up to the ski jump and eat at the restaurant with an amazing view. They also serve some traditional dishes, among others. The true magic happens when the sun goes down, so it's definitely worth it to stay a bit longer. The Wilten Christmas Market, located in the Wilten district of Innsbruck, is a smaller, local-oriented market that offers a peaceful and authentic festive experience. I noticed that some foods and drinks differ from market to market, but the classics like mulled wine can be found everywhere. Are you enjoying? So what are your impressions about this Christmas market?
Small and expensive.
Small and expensive, so you don't recommend?
I guess it's as expensive as any other, so it doesn't matter.
The Maria-Theresien-Straße Christmas Market is one of Innsbruck's most elegant and modern holiday markets. It features sleek decorations, a lot of sparkling lights. There are around 30 to 40 stalls that include not only traditional goods but also international ones. We came to the Christmas market in Maria-Theresien-Straße and it's partially closed, I don't know why, but it seems that they have the best illuminations, I think, like the best decorations like this wall. So I mean, if you're looking for some like very Christmassy photos, that's the place to be. It seems to be more or less the same everywhere in terms of like a beverage, food and souvenirs. Actually, this Christmas market kinda blends with the Old Town Christmas Market and the Marktplatz Christmas Market. Although it seems that it's always too crowded, Christmas markets in Innsbruck are definitely something special. Write in the comments what your favorite Christmas market is and whether I missed something in Innsbruck. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.